Fine. Okay, Chaitanya, you can start. You are unmuted from my side. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I tell today's corona cases in Chhattisgarh and Raipur and also death and
Yes.
recovery rate
Please.
also there?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so, ma'am, today's new cases in Raipur are, ma'am, 1 minute.
I think you should write it down somewhere, है ना?
Ma'am, I got it, but I'm not able to. Yes, ma'am, now I'm telling.
हाँ.
Ma'am, today's new cases in Chhattisgarh are 1,586 and the new deaths are 17.
Hmm.
And in the new cases in Raipur are 112 and the new deaths are 2.
My goodness.
And the recovery rate in Raipur is 80.96 percentage and in Chhattisgarh it's 58.39 percentage.
Okay. So, good. Let's start the class now. Okay. We are discussing on the topic India after independence. Yes, children. So many things we discussed yesterday, like what type of challenges India faced after independence, है ना? And we discuss on the topic what making of constitution, है ना? So many things are adapted from various countries. One of the most challenging and important was the universal adult franchise and the various lists that were the union list, the central the state list, and the concurrent list. Now, today we will discuss on the topic making of states. So here I am sharing my screen. I'm going to show you chapter NCERT book. So today we will discuss constitution written. We have already discussed. We are going to discuss about the making of a state. What was the basic thing of making of states? कैसे states बने, है ना? ये देखो, how were state forms? Yes. Till yesterday we discussed on the various topic. One of them was what? Universal adult franchise and equality before law. And the second most important thing of our constitution was equality before law. Yes, Moksh. Is there any problem, dear? I forgot to annotation. यही दिखाना चाह रहे हो? Okay, fine. So, how were states to be formed? Yes, when India got independent, we have only 16 provinces or the states as per the language. Look at here. Back in the 1920s, the Indian National Congress, it was the only party. Okay. And had promised that once the country won independence, each major linguistic group would have its own province. मतलब जब कांग्रेस इंडिया इंडिपेंडेंस नहीं हुआ था, when it was not got its independence, that leader of Congress promised the people of India, if we will get independence, हम जब आजाद हो जाते हैं, तो as per the languages, जो जो भाषा जहां जहां जिस भी स्टेट में बोली जाती है, according to that we will make the स्टेट, उसके हिसाब से हम स्टेट बना देंगे. ये प्रॉमिस कब किया था कांग्रेस ने? 1920 में. गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? बट what had happened for India had been divided on the basis of religion. Despite the wishes and the effort of Mahatma Gandhi, freedom had come not to one nation but to two. As a result of the partition of India, more than 1 million people had been killed in riots between Hindus and Muslims. Could be country afford further division on the basis of language. Both Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and the Deputy Prime Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel were against the creation of linguistic state. Children, what it happened ki just because of this such type of what one major division was already been happened है ना, one major division is already been happened. What was this major division? This major division was, what was it? It was division of the countries, separation of the countries. So now this time our leaders did not wanted any type of more separation or the division. So we cannot say that they forgot, है ना, कि हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि वो बताना या बनाना भूल गए. बट द थिंग इज दैट कि दे डिड नॉट वांटेड, बट लेटर ऑन दे हैव टू मेक इट. फाइन. सो what was the major concern? Sorry, actually I am suffering from severe cold, children. So you can see here the first and last need of India at the present moment is that should be made a nation everything which growth the nationalism. सबको क्या चाहिए था? All they wanted was the nationalism. You can see one image. Children, one more thing I am repeating here. I am chasing one point, that is see why I am teaching with NCERT book is each and every images are compulsory to see. I can ask any question related to image of 5 marks. Got it, children? 3 marks, 1 marks. कुल मिलाकर के आपको कोई भी मैं हो सकता है 10 मार्क के क्वेश्चन पूछ लो आपसे इमेज से रिलेटेड. तो आपको हर चैप्टर के इमेज क्लियर होना चाहिए. यू कैन नॉट से दैट मैम ने ये पढ़ाया नहीं है. फाइन. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट the first and last need of India at the present moment is that should be made a nation which help to grow the nationalism only. अब it was a time कि फिर से कांग्रेस को अपना क्या करना पड़ेगा, अपना प्रॉमिस बनाना पड़ेगा. वन इमेज यू कैन सी हियर, इट इज पोट्टी श्रीराम मुल्लू, है ना, पोट्टी श्रीराम मुल्लू. ये he was a leader, है ना, and who the Congress leader would now go back on their promises, create great disappointment. The Kannada speaker, Malayalam speakers and the Marathi speakers had all looked forward to having their own state. The strongest protest, however, came from the Telugu speaking district from what was the Madras presidency. When Nehru went to the campaign, मतलब जब first when it was the time of first general election, है ना, when it was the time of first general election, what it happened? Can you imagine? Any one of you? No, because first general election मतलब all they wanted campaigning, canvassing, their promotions कि हमको फिर से इलेक्शन में जीता हो. पहली बार तो वो जीत गए थे कैसे? एज अ गिफ्ट, है ना. पहली बार कैसे जीत गया था उन्होंने? एज अ गिफ्ट, है ना. नाउ सेकेंड टाइम इट वाज टू शो देयर स्ट्रेंथ. तो जब ये लोग वेरियस स्टेट्स दे विजिटेड वेरियस स्टेट, तो उनका क्या हुआ? ब्लैक कलर से उनका वेलकमिंग. ब्लैक कलर मीन्स कलर ऑफ व्हाट? अगेंस्ट, है ना. किसी भी चीज का जब कोई अगेंस्ट करता है तो ब्लैक कलर के साथ करता है ना. तो उन्होंने उनका बहुत ब्लैक कलर से वेलकम किया. कहाँ पे? आंध्रा, है ना. कहाँ पे किया? एट आंध्र प्रदेश, आंध्रा में किया. एंड इन अक्टूबर ऑफ द ईयर गांधीयन नेम पोती श्री रामुलु वेंट ऑन अ हंगर फास्ट. बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में जिसको बोलते हैं ना आमरण अनशन, डिमांडिंग फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आंध्रा. आंध्रा को स्टेट बनाने के लिए एज पर द लैंग्वेज, as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru promised them that after independence he will make various states as per their languages. So this Potti Sri Ramulu, who was a Congress leader, who was a great Gandhian leader, he went in a fasting. ठीक है, और सबसे बुरा क्या हुआ पता है? Fasting demanding of formation of Andhra state to protect the interest of Telugu speakers. As the fast went on, it attracted much support. हड़ताल्स, बंद वेयर ऑब्जर्व्ड इन मैनी टाउन्स, है ना. अब ये तो हमारा इंडिया का ट्रेडिशन है, कोई एक गया तो उसके सपोर्ट में या उसके अगेंस्ट में बोलना लोग शुरू कर देते हैं. यहाँ पर भी बहुत सारे लोग उनके अगेंस्ट में आए, कुछ लोग उनके सपोर्ट में आए, कुछ नहीं, बहुत लोग उनके सपोर्ट में आए. Okay, children. On 15th December 1952, 58 days into his fast. Note it down, children. 15 December 1952, 58 days into his fast, Potti Sriramulu died just because of this fasting. है ना. सबसे बड़ा जो क्या बोलना चाहिए, it was some background sound is there beta, but I am alone this room. Please check your own room, Pulkit. Okay, so what was the major concern, children? Do you know? When the Potti Sriram Mullu died, what did happen? Whenever our favorite leader or the person who is supporting us or our culture, है ना, such type of things, what did happen? तो एक क्या बोलना चाहिए, टाइप ऑफ अर्थक्वेक, politically earthquake na, not geographically, politically earthquake came, and just because of it, what it happened means they had to, the leader had to make Andhra Pradesh as a linguistic state. So in Indian history after independence, the first state जो बना, it was what? It was Andhra Pradesh, है ना. What was this? It was Andhra Pradesh. Is it clear, children? Up to here, all the things are clear. After the creation of Andhra Pradesh, now all the leaders of various states, they got what? They got fire, है ना. They got fire. अब उनको एक प्रकार का एक सपोर्ट मिल गया, एक फायर मिल गया कि बारूद के ढेर में आग कैसी लगानी है. After the creation of Andhra, the linguistic communities also demanded their own separate state. So a state recognition commission was set up which submitted its report in 1956. Now again, note down the date. The state recognition commission was set up with submitted its report in 1956 recommending the redrawing of district and provincial boundaries to form compact provinces of Assamese, Bengali, Odia, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, and Telugu speakers respectively. The large Hindi-speaking region of North India was broken up into several states a little later on in 1960s. The state of Bombay was divided into separate state of Marathi and Gujarati speakers in 1966. The state of Punjab was also divided in Punjab and Haryana. The former of the Punjabi speakers who were also mostly Sikh. Later on, for the rest who spoke not Punjabi but version of Haryani or Hindus, means as per the languages we got various states. You can see here one map. Is it clear to all of you? Is it properly visible to all of you? Indian provinces and the princely state before 14th August 1947. The pink one, which is colored with the pink, it is princely state. And that yellow one, type of postcard color, it is British India before 1947. Is it clear, children? ये देखो, now you can see here, notice how the princely state disappear in the 5b. Identify the new state that were the formed in 1956 and later on the languages of this state. So see to it properly, go through it, all the maps, है ना? Anything could be asked. As I can ask is a map question or the image question also. Yes, Rashi. Tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what do you mean by your princely state?
The state which was not governed by the British government, which was still governed by who? The local king, है ना? Because what had happened after capturing the India, annexing the India, the tag of ruler or emperor was removed. They were called as a prince. Got it, beta? That's why it is known as
Yes,
princely
ma'am.
state. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Go through properly all the maps, dear children. 3 maps are here. Please see to it properly. The first I show, which was before independence. See the condition. Pink one is a princely state, then the British state. Okay. The next one, it is figure 5a. We will compare figure 5a and 5b later on. Hai na? Now see the figure 5b. Indian state before 1st November 1956. Okay. Then languages, as per the languages, this state were make as per the languages. Okay. Now the major concern was what? Major concern was it कि language तो है हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारे लैंग्वेजेस, सो मैनी लैंग्वेजेस आर स्पोकन हियर इन इंडिया, है ना? सो विच वन वुड बी द स्टेट लैंग्वेज? ओके, which one would be the state language? The union state list has subject like taxes. Hindi was designed as the official language of India, and English would be used in the court, the services, and the communication between one state and another. Got it, children? Got it, children? Because so many South Indian languages were there, so the people were not able to speak properly Hindi. That's why English was the Sakshi is asking me that the state which we have today, British capture all of them that time. Not all of them, beta. Awadh, Hyderabad were till independence, they were as a princely state. Okay. Unfortunately, we have to omitted some chapters just because of COVID-19. Otherwise, ये चैप्टर आप लोगों को पढ़ने में और मजा आता. Fine, children. Now you can see planning of development. But before that, I would like to share here Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who was the chairman of the drafting committee. Note it down, children. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who was the chairman of the drafting committee and under whose supervision the document was finalized, played an important role in forming of Indian Constitution and referred to the father of the Indian Constitution. If it is asked who is considered as the father of Indian Constitution, very frankly, the name is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. है ना? उनको बाबा साहेब भी कहते थे, भीमराव अंबेडकर भी कहते थे, डॉक्टर अंबेडकर भी कहते थे. Okay. In short, let's see how states to be formed. First, in 1920s, the Indian National Congress amendment in its constitution and recognized its regional branches on the basis of linguistic group. Prime Minister Nehru and the Deputy Prime Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel were against the creation of linguistic state. In October 1952, a veteran Gandhian named Poti Sriramulu went to a hunger strike demanding the formation of Andhra Pradesh to protect the interest of Telugu-speaking people. On 15 December 1952, after 58 days of fasting, Poti Sriramulu died. His death led to violence all over the state, and central government was forced to give into the demand. On 1st October 1953, the new state of Andhra Pradesh was created. Note it down, children. The first independent after independence, the first state created, it was Andhra Pradesh, and the date was 1st October 1953. After creation of Andhra Pradesh, linguistic communities also demanded separate state. Therefore, a state reorganization commission was set up. Following recommendation were done. कौन सा recommendation हुआ था वहां पे? The large Hindi speaking region of North India was also to be broken up into several states. है ना? Bilingual state of Bombay was divided into separate state, Marathi and Gujarati speakers. The state of Punjab was also divided into Punjab and Haryana. Got it, children? This much we have discussed today. Pulkit is asking me what is Deputy Prime Minister. Huh? What is Deputy Prime Minister, Pulkit? In Hindi term, it is we call it as a Up Pradhan Mantri. है ना? Yes, if I will get time, sure I would like to share some major points, the chapter which we skipped, है ना? I would like to share that part with you, children, because I know the necessity of the chapter which we skipped, है ना? We should know because in class 10th, हाँ, ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग चिल्ड्रन. ऐसा नहीं कि हिस्ट्री क्लास 8 में हमने पढ़ लिया छोड़ दो. इन क्लास 10th यू आर गोइंग टू फेस ऑल द चैप्टर्स ऑफ क्लास 8 एज इट इज. आपको बार बार याद आएगा, अरे हाँ हमने 8th में ये पढ़ा था. यस, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द थिंग्स इन द क्लास 8. Okay, now children, we have only 2 minutes in our hand. So whatsoever you want to discuss, you can, but related to chapter only. ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे घर में आज क्या बना था वो नहीं बताना है मेरे को. ठीक है? So children, do you have any doubt? Yes, Sarika Soni, who is? Thank you, Pulkit. Anyone else? Anyone else, children? No? So for today, this much only. Children, one homework is there. Please go through all the map. Keep practicing of map pointing. Okay. And one more thing I would like to share with you is, without your what? Index, your map pointing is worthless. It is nothing. Got it, children? So be proper. Okay. God bless you all.